नो कार गिर गई, नौवा लग गया, हमको न्याय नहीं मिली। हमको न्याय नहीं मिला।
The Unnao rape case shocked India 8 years ago. A minor rape by a powerful politician. The survivor fought the odds and the powers that be to see her rapist jailed. 8 years later, she is back on the street, still demanding justice that has been denied again. The life sentence of Mukesh Sengar has been suspended by the court. The victim is still fighting the system that favors the powerful and is again denied her voice.
हाई कोर्ट गई थी, मैंने जजमेंट सुना, हमें बहुत दुख हुआ। जज साहब ने जजमेंट सुनाया, मुझे बहुत दुख हुआ। मुझे लगा कि मैं यहीं पे सुसाइड कर लूं अपना, लेकिन मैंने अपने बच्चों के बारे में सोचा, मैंने अपने परिवार के बारे में सोचा।
The Unnao rape case victim and her family were dragged by the police, repeatedly denied their right to protest. First on Tuesday night at Delhi's India Gate, where they had gathered to protest the court order. Shocking scenes played out on the roads of the national capital as paramilitary personnel blocked the Unnao rape survivor and her mother from addressing the media and also forced the elderly mother to jump off a moving bus. Then again on Wednesday, when the cops whisked away the victim and left her hapless mother stranded on the road.
ये सारे सिक्योरिटी वाले मिल चुके हैं, हमको
क्या बोला उन्होंने?
ये मेरी लड़की को घर के अंदर लेके जा रहे हैं, बीच रास्ते में उतार के मेरी लड़की को ले जा रहे हैं। हमको न्याय नहीं मिला, हमको न्याय।
The Unnao rape survivor's mother was literally dropped off by the CRPF bus midway because they wanted to come and protest. They wanted to speak to the media, and midway here near India Gate, she has been dropped off. And at this point in time, they are taking the survivor back to her home in Kitorni. Why? Because they don't have the permission to protest at India Gate. And the CRPF personnel told us that they don't have the permission to protest anywhere except Jantar Mantar.
The survivor now is not being allowed to sign papers to appeal the High Court ruling.
It's like an acquittal. If you read it, it's very complicated document. It is not even clear, but at the same time, it is very vague. You know, they don't even have enough grounds to grant him that thing. He was coming to sign a document with the lawyer, and she is not allowed. So, I mean, is this a mockery of justice that she is not even allowed to sign a document because we have to file in Supreme Court tomorrow?
Adding insult to injury, this UP minister also mocked her fight for justice.
इंडिया गेट से तो अब घर तो उनका उन्नाव है, घर तो उनका उन्नाव है, लेकिन दिल्ली के तो दिल्ली से
8 years on, the rape victim from Unnao is still on the long and treacherous road to justice, dragged, detained, dejected and denied, while her tormentor smells freedom. NDTV Bureau Report.